Welcome to the Fleet Auto News review of the all-new Subaru Outback. When we picked up the Subaru Outback, we were lucky enough to see 3 different variants all lined up in a row. We were picking up the autumn green Outback Sport. And if you look at the grille, you can see the different treatment compared to the red Outback, which is crimson red in the touring. And then we have the base model over here. All 3 cars are very similar, but the extra features in the touring was our favourite. We got to drive the touring and the sport over a couple of weeks thanks to Subaru. The autumn green colour wouldn't have been our first choice, but with the extra stitching on the interior, it really made it feel special. The colour actually stood out and really made the car and the interior feel a lot more luxurious than what we'd expected it to be. We love folding mirrors on any car. It's perfect for a sales rep on the road. All you've got to do is turn round and you know you've locked the car. Also helps with our age as we get a little bit older. Space is a big thing we look for in every review as well. The tissue box test is famous in Fleet Auto News. If we can fit it in the console, we know there's plenty of space on the interior of the car. We think the silhouette of this Outback makes it look more like a wagon than an SUV, but we love it either way. The all-new Subaru Outback features a big centre screen in the middle of the console. When we first jumped in and turned on the car, we thought, wow, it's clear, vibrant, and what a great new feature. Subaru have designed it to take away a lot of the buttons that are normally found on the console. But when we started driving the car and using it every day, we didn't quite think it was the right choice. We probably would have preferred some buttons in some instances. Overall, we loved our time in the Outback. It really is a luxury SUV. It's big, but not as big as some of the other cars in its category. It's certainly bigger than the Forester, and if you need that extra space and that extra comfort on the road, the Outback is the pick of the Subaru range. And we also love the key. Pressing the logo every time certainly made it feel special. Check out our YouTube channel for more reviews on Subaru and other cars.